Good morning, dear student. Welcome back to English class. Yes, dear students, in today's class we are going to learn about syllables. Okay, what are the syllables and rules for syllabication? In these rules, we are going to learn how to count the syllables and how to break word into syllables. Got it? So, in today's class, what we are going to learn? Rules for the syllabication. Before going to start, we have to learn, we have to see what is syllable. Yes, that is very important. Here see, syllable is a combination of alphabets which makes dominant vowel sound, parts in which the word is broken for pronunciation is called a syllable. Got it? So syllable, what it is? It is combination of alphabet and which makes us dominant of the vowel sound, and even you can say that it is a parts in which the words is broken for the pronunciation is called a syllable. So here example, entertainment, humble. So these words, how we are partition doing the partition? Yes, humble, monkey, duration, examination, enjoy, weather, season, and beautiful. So these are the examples. Yes, we are going to learn how to count the syllables, how to divide also. But here, before that, we have to learn. See here, when we are going to learn how to count the syllables, how to count, see, number of syllables depends upon the number of vowel sound in a word. How they are counting? They are depending upon the number of syllables in the word, total number of vowels. Yes, so we are counting that. So dear students, as you know, yes, we have how many letters in English alphabet? Yes, 26 letters. Let's see here. I will show you something. Yes, total we have 26. Here, see here, we have 26 alphabet. Yes or no? Yes. So in that, how many vowels are there? 5. Which are they? A, E, I, O, and U. These 5 are vowels. And remaining, how many? 21. 21 are a consonant. So if you learn, so if you find out the vowel in the syllable, in the particular word, so you can count a number of syllables in that. Got it? So how we count? Just we have to see. So total vowels 5 and consonant total. See how many consonants are there? Here I will once again write consonant 21. See here, B, C, D and till Z by leaving vowels. Yes, got it. So these are vowels and consonant. Now we have to see the rule. Yes. First, how to count the syllable? Yes. So here 5 to 6 rules are there. Yes, to counting a syllables. So each rule we have to apply to particular word. Yes, in the first word I will show you one example. See here. Here one word is there, monkey. How to count it? I will show you. So here suppose I consider one number, that is monkey. Yes, suppose I consider monkey word. And in that, how many vowels are there? Find out. See here, O and E. Two vowels are there, na? Yes. So we can say that here, how many syllables? 2. Yes, got it. And even we can see here, divide it. Means monkey. How we are pronouncing? Monkey. So it is example. Remaining all examples are there. You have to try for it. Yes. One more example I will explain you here. See here. Another word, that is enjoy. So this word we will consider. See, enjoy. So when we are just considering enjoy word, yes, Yes, you have to write little bit. So enjoy. This is a word here. So find out the vowels. See, first E and see E and here O. So we are categorizing here. We are saying that once again I will write this word. See this word, you take it. Enjoy. Here O and E. And we are categorizing like that. Enjoy. So how many syllables are there? Yes, 2. Got it? Like that we are going to learn. Yes, so here remaining words are there. After completion of video, you have to try to divide or try to count it. Yes, see here. So what is the first rule? Yes, check the number of vowels in a word. Check the number of vowels in the word. You have to check how many vowels are in that particular word. So let's see which word we have to take. Yes, for example, I will take one word, that is magic. Yes, magic word I will take and I will show you. Yes, so here I will show you one word, that is magic. So in this magic word, find out the vowels. Yes, first check the number of vowels in the word. Our first rule. So A here, A and I. Yes. So we can say that how many syllables are there? 2. Got it? 2 syllables are there. So this is our first rule. Got it? Yes. One more example. Here one more example I will write. Yes, one more word. I can say that dream. D-R-E-A-M. In that, you just find out the here vowel. Yes. A-E-I-O-U, you have to find out here. Here and here. Now, you just tell me here 2 vowels are there. So, you can't say that here 2 syllables are there. It is wrong. Why? Because the second rule is, see what is our second rule? Yes. Second rule, together. Together means what? Check if 2 vowels are together, then consider one vowel sound for 2 vowels. So, what we have to do, if 2 vowels are together in the word, that time we have to consider only one vowel. Got it? They both are together one vowel. Yes, like that. So, here first rule our clear. Now, here example they given. So I will solve you this dream. In that dream, how many vowels are there? Tell me. Yes, here I will write dream. Got it? Yes, dream word is there. Here see E and A. Yes, 2 vowels are there. But what is our first we have to check the number of vowels? Yes, we checked. There are 2 vowels. But together, second rule is together. If they are together, then we have to consider only one vowel. So this both together only one vowel we are considering here. Again here remaining vowels are there? No. So what we can say? See, dream have only one syllable. Got it? Got it? Very good. Here one next example. See here one more example I will explain you. Yes, first we have to find out the count the number of vowels. We have to count it. Now D-I-E second. So here see, check the number of vowels in the word. Yes, we checked I and E. 2 are there? Yes. But they both are together. Second rule, yes, they are together. So how we are considering? These both we are considering one. So I have only one syllable. Next, cries. I will write here only. Yes, cries. So cries. See, in that cries, two vowels. Where are the vowels? Yes, I and E. So what we are doing? We are considering both together as a one. So cry is also how many vowels? Yes, one. Got it? Our second rule. Next, ear. Ear you can see. Ear, yes. You just tell. Very good. Y-E-A-R, ear. In that also E and A, two vowels are there, but they both are together. Yes, they are together. So what we are considering? This both we are considering as a one. Again remaining vowels, no. So only one here syllable. Like shout and boat, these both also you have to find. See here, S-H-O-U-T, shout. You just find out A-E-I-O-U, O and U are there, but they both are together. So only we can consider one vowel. Yes, or one syllable. So we can say that there is a one syllable. Got it? Yes, so this is called as monosyllable. Mono means only one. When there is only one syllable, you can say that monosyllable. Even boat also. Boat, in that B-O-A-T. So O and A both are vowel here, and they both are together. So we are considering as a one. Yes. Next. Now our second rule you understood. First rule also you understood. Check the number of vowels in the word. You checked. Now they are together. What is second rule? If they are together, we have to consider only one. Now there is the third rule. See, E at the end, silent. Suppose E is at the end of the word. See here, if the word ending in E, then E will be silent. Don't consider vowel E sound if at the end of the word. Now, suppose they are telling that E, if word is ending with the E alphabet, yes, you have to, E should be a silent, and you can't consider it. So we don't have to consider. Got it? How? See, I will explain you by example. Now here we will take one more example. Yes, file. So here first word is file. Yes, check it. How many vowels? First rule, check the number of vowels in the word. Yes, I and E. Got it? Next, they are together? No. I is separate here, middle one consonant is there. No, second rule is not applicable. Third rule, E at the end? Yes, E is at the end of the word. So E is silent. We are pronouncing file. So E is silent here. So we can't consider E. So how many syllables? Very good. Only one syllable. Yes, monosyllable. Got it? Now, tile. In the tile, see first rule, count the number of syllables, vowels in the word. Yes, I and E. They are together? No, they are not together. But E is at the end? Yes, E is at the end. So don't consider E. Only there is one syllable. Like inside, please. See here. Inside and please. I will explain you. Yes. Inside. Now, I-N-S-I-D-E. Inside. Check the first rule. Count the number of vowels in the word. A, E, I, O, U. Find out. How many here? Vowels? 3. Now they are together? No, they don't have together. They all are separate. Yes. Now, E at the end? Yes, E at the end. So, E should be a silent. So, how many? This one, this one. So, inside word have 2 syllables. Got it? Inside word have 2 syllable. Understood? Now, one more word. Tame. Tame you take here only. Tame. So, tame word. Find out syllable. First we have to find out count number of vowels. A, E. Second rule, whether they are together? No. Third rule, at the end E is there, silent. Yes. So only one vowel. Yes, one syllable. like that name and decide, you do it. Got it? Hope you understood the third rule also. Now next moving to the fourth rule. Fourth rule, what is the fourth rule? Count the number of vowel sound. Yes, count the number of vowel sound. We have to count it. Yes, how to count? See, if one vowel sound in a word, then it is monosyllable. Yes, I already told. Yes, if only one vowel sound is there, we can call it monosyllable. So there is one example. Here example. See, dog, cat, rat, cap, die, man, best, stop, smile, dance and nail. These are examples. Dog. First example we can take and we can try to solve it. First, dog. In that, first, what is first rule? Just count the number of syllables. First count the what? Yes, check the number of vowels in the word. So we have find or we found one vowel. Now second rule, whether they are together? No. Third rule, whether it is ending with e? No. So here only one syllable. So it is called as monosyllable. Yes, like cat. See, find out vowel 1. So it is also one syllable. Rat. See here A. 1. Got it? Now here one word is there. Smile. We can take this example. Smile. In that find out. Yes. Here. See, two vowels are there. We got two vowels here. Second rule, whether they are together? No. Third rule, whether it is ending with e is silent. Then only consider one syllable. So it is called as monosyllable. Got it? Yes? Very good. One more example, dance. Here I will write dance. In this word, find out first vowels. A, E. Got it? We got two vowels. Now check the second rule, whether they are together? No. And third rule, at the end of the E is there? Yes. So E is silent. So we are considering only one. So dance word have only one syllable. It is called as monosyllable. So remaining all example you try to solve. Got it? Now what they told next? If more than one vowel sound in a word, then it is multi-syllable. Yes, if it is only one, so you can call that monosyllable. If more than one vowel sound in a word, then it is multi-syllable. How? Let's see one example. Here word is corner. Yes, find out the vowel first. Yes, you found. Now the second rule, whether they here second rule, what is second rule? Just yes, remember it. What is? Whether they are together? No, they are not together. Third rule, whether it is ending with e? No. So now here how many syllables are there? One and second. So it is called as two syllable. So it is, you can say that multi-syllable because more than two vowel sound words are there in this word. One more you take example. Here Monday. Here also find out first a vowel. Yes. Here O and here A. So whether they are together? No. Whether ending with E? No. So count the number of vowel sound 1 and 2. So how many syllables are there? 2. So it is called as monosyllable. Yes, like that you have to find out the number of syllables here. So from these examples you have to find out how many syllables are there. Yes. So one more word I will explain you here, tomorrow. In this word, see here, Here tomorrow I will take one example. So in this word, yes, first count or find out the vowel sound word here. Yes. Now check the rule whether they are together. No. Whether ending with E. No. So now how many vowel sound words are there? 1, 2 and 3. So it is 3 syllables. So you can call it as multi-syllable. Yes. More than one is called as multi-syllable. If only one syllable is there, so you can say the monosyllable. Got it? These are the example. Next, now you learn how to count the syllable. Now you have to learn how to break words into the syllable. So dear student, today we will stop here only, and in the next video I will explain you how to break word into the syllable. Got it? There are some rules. While using those rules we have to learn to break the words. Got it? Yes. Till whatever words are there, examples are there, try to, after watching this video, try to just count it. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.